everybody, and welcome to Budget MTV. Today on my channel, we're going to be making some granola bars that are pretty simple to make. All you need is chocolate, granola, peanut butter, honey, almonds, and some dates. First step is to chop the chocolate up, unless you decided to go with some chocolate chips, which would work just fine as well. And you don't need to make them perfect, doesn't matter. Then you'll want to make sure to blend the dates up, and this is pretty important as it'll be keeping all of the stuff in the granola bar together very well as adding protein. Now you'll want to mix the oats with the almonds and put it on a pan, spread it out nice and flat, mix together, and then stick it in the oven around 300 to 375 degrees until the oats and almonds are pretty browned and crispy. Next, we'll do the peanut butter and honey mixture. I did not film this, but basically you just put it into a pan together, about same parts, more peanut butter than honey, and put it on a high temperature. After that cat break, you'll want to go ahead and put in the oats and almonds that have been toasted. And then you can go ahead and put in all the other ingredients as well. I wish I had realized this sooner, but I had added way too much chocolate this time, and it was not a good idea. It tasted really good, but too much chocolate, to be honest. So you could probably add about half that, and it would be really good. There's no way that's coming out without a spoon. Dates. Look at that chocolate, it's so melty now. That's actually kind of nice, huh? It's gonna be a chocolate peanut butter goodness type of thing. I think there'll still be chunks in it too. Some chunks. Now all that's left to do is put the mixture into a container. Preferably you'll want to put it onto some sort of parchment paper to prevent it from sticking to the surface of the container you put it in. But then you put it in the freezer for about an hour, maybe more, and it's pretty solid at that point. So you can go ahead and cut it up. And you can cut it up into whatever you prefer, whatever's most convenient for you to put into your backpack while you're biking or just trail riding. So there it is, a very healthy trailside snack you can munch on after a nice trail ride. If you liked this video, go ahead and give it a like, and if you didn't, go ahead and dislike it. But if you want to see more content like this, comment below and I can make more treat making videos. That would have... No. Can't flip worth shit. Oh, rip barrel, and I can cut anything out this time.